I'm getting annoyed with these Instagram influencers riding around in a GP 1800R or RXPX just to go offshore cruising. They even wear impact racing vests with jersey numbers like a bunch of posers. I'll tell you what drives me more bananas is when I go on rides and I see guys with an RXPX or a GPR and they've got luggage racks and navigation lights and big GPS screens and all this Mickey Mouse stuff all over the damn thing. And you're like, you've neutered this ski. This thing was meant to be a hot rod. And I mean, it's like putting mudders in a trailer hitch and a buggy whip on a Corvette. I'm like, what the hell are you doing? And I mean, but again, it's not my place, man. I don't like it. Don't get me wrong. Me personally, I bristle at that idea. I'm like, well, why didn't you get something else? But look at the people who look at an Explorer Pro or look at a Fish Pro trophy and scream and yell in the comment section, why don't you just buy a boat? Well, go buy a boat. Boat. Go buy a boat. And you're like, bro, I don't want a boat. I want a watercraft. And this has all the stuff for fishing that I want because I'm an avid fisherman. Shut up. I mean, I don't blame them. So as much as I don't like the go buy a boat guy, I also sit there and have to hold my fire because I'm like, hey, listen, the guy wanted a GP 1800R, and he wanted to turn it into a Winnebago. Let him do it. Okay, fine. So I get it, Mikey. You and I are on the same page. But again, who am I to tell a guy what to love or who to love, man? It's not my thing, Hey, guys. Thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.